Electric cooperative consumers live, work, and play in the abundant natural resources Michigan has to offer, and many of their livelihoods depend on the fruits of the earth. That's why Michigan's electric co-ops take our commitment to protecting our state's resources seriously, and why we're the state's leader in renewable energy. As an MEC co-op consumer, you have a unique and affordable opportunity to make a significant renewable energy impact with our Community Solar program. When you subscribe to Community Solar, you personally invest in a long-term commitment to Michigan's environment and enjoy all the benefits of a home solar array without the huge investment of building a system on your rooftop or property. There's nothing to install, nothing to maintain, and you can cancel at any time. How does it work? It's simple. Your electric co-op continues to deliver your energy. You pay for a share of the community solar arrays by subscribing to one or more panels. The solar energy collected by the arrays is distributed to the grid. You receive a credit on your bill for your share of the generated energy. You will yield about $40 annually in bill credits per subscription with your investment in community solar. The program is not designed to be a moneymaker, but rather a meaningful and affordable way for our electric consumers who care about renewable energy to personally get involved. For as little as a one-time $600 payment or $10 a month for 5 years, you can help support a clean, green future for yourself and your community. Ready to save a little green while you go green? Register or learn more now at spartansolar.com.